So quite a lot of people wanted a detailed detangling video, and I really was thinking, okay, we need to put something in there to funk it up. And then I thought, why not enter a tool into it, test it out, and show you guys my routine slash also reviewing a product. And I knew just the right product to review, and that is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I got so excited because Antidote Street sent me this brush to try out because I've been eyeballing this one for quite some time, but I wasn't able to purchase it in the Netherlands, and Antidote Street delivers to Europe. So when I saw that they had this in their collection, I responded and the team just sent me the brush. And it came in this awesome color. This is the brush, as you can see. And what I like about it already is that it's super easy to clean because you can just get a comb or a brush through this to get rid of everything. It's a sturdy brush. I thought it would be more flexible, but it's not flexible at all. And the bristles are all the same length. You do have kind of a wave into it, so it's pretty nice to hold on to. And I think Antidote Street has the brush in this teal color and in black. But I'm telling you guys, this color is a vibe. So I'm just gonna show you the techniques that I would normally use, but I'm gonna incorporate this brush to see if it's really worth your penny. So I washed and put some conditioner in my hair and I rinsed that. I didn't detangle or do anything yet. And I put it in this microfiber head towel, which is from Aquarius. It's really nice. I'll put the link down below. So my hair is towel dry, I would say. And the first thing that I'm going to do, let me just lower a little bit. Yeah, the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to section my hair in 4 sections. So that's first. And this is my naked hair, you guys. No product in it whatsoever. This is it. Yeah, sectioning it. So this is one of the sections, and I'm gonna lightly damp it with my water bottle. Not too much, but it will help me have some grip a little bit. Yep, there we go. I'm going to use the As I Am Hydration Elation Cream. Okay. This is an intensive moisturizing conditioner and it's very thick, as you guys can see. And I'm going to use about this amount for a section. And this one smells amazing as well. I'm gonna work that in. And as soon as we've done it, I'm gonna split this section into 2. And I'm going to start detangling, starting from the lower point, the ends, and working my way up. And what I already noticed is that I like that it doesn't get like caught up into my hair. Sometimes I find brushes too flexible and then I'm like, okay, what are you gonna do next? You know what I mean? And then I'm like, it's breaking off, it's actually snagging. And this is not that flexible, so it won't flex too much with my hair. I'm gonna do that with this section as well. Really a tiny little bit. See? There we go. That went very smoothly actually. Honestly, it went super easy. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use a little bit more. Work it on there again. And I'm gonna make a twist out of it. So clumsy. And I put even more on the ends because my ends need the hydration. One down, 3 more to go. So in my opinion, the most important thing when it comes to detangling is that you make sure that your hair is wet and that it has some sort of conditioner or hair mask in it, or detangler. Any product that says detangler, I know that there are a lot of detangling sprays and detangling creams. You can use those to help detangle your hair, but never do it on just dry hair. And I like to detangle underneath the shower because then I'm already multitasking with my conditioner in, and then I just detangle, which will also allow the deep conditioner or the conditioner to sit in a little bit longer before I rinse it out. So that's like, in my opinion, the quickest way. In this case, I'm really promising myself to deep condition using a hair steamer once a week, which allows me to detangle out of the shower. So that's why I'm showing you guys the drill. Bam, easily detangles. Easily. This is a little bit tricky. Got quite a tangle over here. Oh, it's out! It's out! Oh my god, that went easy. This part is really tangled. But we're getting there. We have it. Twist number 2. So guys, tell me what you like to use when it comes to detangling. I'm really a brush type of girl. I really hate using a comb. So I really like using a brush. I think you can cover way more space, way more hair than with a comb, especially with this one. And I used to do like finger combing, but with my long nails it wasn't that good for my nails, and eventually then it's also not that good for my hair because I would eventually get tears into my nails, and that will also damage my hair. And you already see that my hair sucks this hair mask up like it's nothing. That's what my hair always does. Oops. The only thing that because it's not that flexible, I sometimes feel like it's a little bit harder to get a tangle out, but when it's out, it's really out. But maybe that's because I'm used to brushes that are more flexible and they actually don't really take the tangles out. So I guess it's just something that I really need to get used to, feeling wise. You really need to start at the ends first before you do the top, because you will not get through. Now I'll be using a hair steamer, but you can also easily just use a plastic cap or just leave this hair mask in for about 15 to 30 minutes. I'm just gonna use steam because it has a lot of benefits, which I will put in, but first off, it opens the cuticles better, which allows products to penetrate in way better than normal. It also adds extra moisture, so you just make sure that the product really gets into your hair instead of just a little part of it. Now I'm going to use my steamer. So I'm done steaming, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make sure that my hair cools off. Then I'm going to rinse it out. I'm going to try to use as cold water as I can, but I hate it. I'm going to try it anyways, and then continue my styling. So that's about it. Thoughts about this brush. I will seriously give this one a 10 out of 10 because it's super easy to use. It's sturdy. It really gets out the knots. I had only this amount of shedding, which is normally way more. And it's super easy to clean because I cleaned it already and it's good to go now. So if you have any other questions about detangling, or you want to share your own tips and tricks on detangling, put them down below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and put on the notification button to make sure that you get a notification every time that I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.